Okay, so in today's video, I want to give you a super simple and easy chocolate protein dessert pudding recipe that will nail that sweet craving that you might have at night and help you to get that six-pack. And we're starting right now. Welcome to Dad Bod Fitness. If you and I are just meeting, my name is David and I help crazy busy dads to build a physique. If you want to maximize your muscle growth and strip the body fat and then transform your life while still managing your family, consider subscribing. All right, so if you haven't seen my full RPG MRE playlist, I'll link it up above and down in the description below. It's basically a whole assortment of protein recipes for muscle building and fat loss that I give over on my brother's channel, Avenue Studios. We do a live action role play based on open legends, which is like Dungeons and Dragons. And I always take you through a new recipe every time and then show you here how to put that together. But if you want to see a live taste test of this recipe, pop on over to my brother's channel. I'll link it up above and it's going to be in the description below. But back to this, let me show you how to make this in literally about 1 minute. Okay, so this is literally a 4-ingredient protein pudding, but it's going to taste amazing. So first, what you're going to want to have is just some sort of bowl. Typically, if I was just making this for me, I'm just going to make it with one small bowl. I'm going to mix it in right here. But to be honest with you, I want this to kind of look nice. So I'm going to mix it in a separate one and then serve it into another little bowl so you can see a nice finished product. So next, I want to bring in my Arbonne protein powder. Chocolate is the bomb. Get 2 good-sized scoops. All right, next, we're gonna add some chocolate almond milk. You can use vanilla as well, unsweetened. It's gonna be lower in calories. But with the chocolate almond milk, it's gonna have a nice, richer taste. It is higher in calories, but since this is a small amount, we're gonna use it. So again, you wanna start with less almond milk rather than more so that you can get the clumps out first. So you're gonna have a thicker consistency, but now I can add a little bit more. And I'll tell you what, I usually do this by eye, but you could probably start with somewhere between a half a cup to a cup. So it depends on the consistency that you want. I kind of like that, but sometimes I go for a little bit more. Okay, so I have that pudding ready. It already tastes good just like that. But now I'm gonna get some strawberries. Now you can use as many strawberries as you want, but I'm probably gonna do like 2 strawberries maybe. 2, maybe about that size. That's looking really fantastic. Then you can sprinkle about a half a tablespoon or maybe a tablespoon of chocolate chips as a garnish. And if you want to give these a try, these are stevia sweetened chocolate chip. Now the calories are a little bit better on these since it's partially using stevia for sweetener. There we go. There's our finished product. Delicious. Super delicious. I'm gonna throw the calories up on the screen here along with the macros. And this is seriously an awesome way to stay within your calorie target for the day, especially at night when you want to get something that's going to be filling, help keeping you hitting your protein target for the day as well. Okay, now I get to try the finished product. Dude, the strawberries and the crunch from the chocolate chip totally make the difference. Check out everyone else's reactions over in Avenue Studios. I'm supposed to film, but I kind of want to eat it. Am I supposed to stop? Are you still here? If you liked that video, would you like the video? Would you tap the like button? And don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Click or tap the screen right down over here for a full, complete program that you can do from home. It's a push-pull legs program, and whether or not you're beginner or advanced, it's gonna get you on a great path to getting great results. Or click or tap the screen down over here for another video from the Dad Bod Fitness Library. As always, be intentional, bring the intensity, and I cannot wait to see you on the next video.